Out of all the questions I get every day, the most common one by far is what is the best traffic source to promote my affiliate link? As most of you watching this video right now are probably beginners and don't have enough budget and the experience required for paid ads. So free traffic definitely makes sense. And that is why in today's video, I'm going to show you how to post ads for free without spending any money. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So I highly recommend to click on the first link in the description, which is going to bring you to this page where you can have access to the ultimate affiliate marketing course, where you can start making sustainable and long-term passive income with affiliate marketing. So moving on to today's video, I'm going to show you this traffic source that gets over 78% traffic from United States alone. And as you can see, this website gets over 250,000 visits every single month. So I'm going to show you how to post ads for free on this platform and start making money. So the first thing you want to do is to sign up to an affiliate network. And there are so many affiliate networks out there you can sign up to. We have clickbank.com. You can go over to digistore24.com. You can use warriorplus.com. You can also use jvzoo.com. But for today's video, we are going to be taking Clickbank as an example because it is the biggest affiliate network in the world. It has a lot of high converting products and you can get high commissions from promoting offers on Clickbank. However, if Clickbank is not available in your country, like I mentioned earlier, you can come over to other platforms like digistore24.com, Warrior Plus, or jvzoo.com. Okay, so if you come over to clickbank.com, all you simply need to do is to come over to this affiliate section and you want to click on start here. So once you do that, you'll be able to see your dashboard and you can then come over to the marketplace section. And this is where you're going to have access to various products available on Clickbank Marketplace that you can start promoting right away. So before you pick any product, I highly recommend to go for products that are profitable and not products you are passionate about, because picking a product you are passionate about doesn't necessarily mean that product is profitable. So I highly recommend to pick products that are profitable, that are proven to work. So as you can see, there are several categories right here that you can pick products from. But for this video, we are going to be taking the e-marketing and e-business category as an example. So once you come over to this category, as you can see, there are over 100 products from this category that we can start promoting and start making money on Clickbank. So I highly recommend to go for a product that has this future button right here, which means this product is going to keep paying you every single month as long as your customers continue using that product, because Clickbank has a lot of software-based products where people need to keep subscribing, and once they keep subscribing, you keep getting a cut of that subscription. So you can pick any product of your choice. So for me, I'm going to take this product here as an example, the Fast Track, which is going to help people make money with affiliate marketing, as you can see right here. Okay, and this product here in the front end is going to pay us $219 for every sale we make, and every single month we are still going to get $16 from our customers as long as they continue using this product. So the next thing you then want to do is to go over to the sales page of this product. So as you can see, this is the sales page of this product, which is going to teach people how to make $5,000 a day, as you can see right here. And this product is currently making a lot of affiliate money on Clickbank. So now we are going to go over to the next step of this video. But before we do that, you want to copy the link to this Clickbank product. So once you copy the link, you then want to head over to this website, web2pdf.com. And this is a website that we are going to be using to convert that sales page into a PDF. I know you may be wondering, why do you need to do this? I'm going to explain the reason in a moment. So all you just need to do here is to paste in that affiliate product website here, and you want to click on convert. So as you can see right here, it has successfully converted that website into a PDF for us. All you just simply need to then do from here is to click on the download button. So now once we've downloaded the PDF to our device, the third step is to come over to searchjar.com. And this is a website that is going to allow us edit this PDF so that we can add our affiliate link. And don't worry, you don't need to create an account. It's absolutely free to use, as you can see right here. So all you then need to do from here now is to upload that PDF we just downloaded from web2pdf.com. So you then want to select the PDF here and you want to click on open. So as you can see right here, this is the landing page of that affiliate product that has been converted to PDF for us. And now the next step is to then simply go back to your ClickBank account and you want to generate your affiliate link, as this is the link we are going to be including in that PDF. So you want to simply click on the promote button. So once you click on the promote button, it's going to bring you to this page and you can then click on create uplink. As you can see, this is now my affiliate link right here. So all I simply need to do is to copy the uplink. So once you copy the uplink, you want to come back to searchda.com and then you want to come over to this section that says links. All you then need to do is to drag this button to any section, and this is where you'll be able to add your affiliate link. All right, so once I click on this, you then want to come over to this link to external URL, and this is where you then want to paste in your ClickBank link. So once you do that, you want to then simply go to other section of this PDF and you want to add in your ClickBank affiliate link like this. You then want to simply click on apply changes. So as you can see right now, in matter of seconds, your document is ready. So as you can see, this is our PDF right here. And if I click on any section of this PDF, so as you can see, it brought me to the website of this affiliate product. And if people come over here and sign up to this product, we make money. So now that we know that everything works, all you just simply need to do from here is to then download this PDF. So before we start driving traffic and start making money from promoting that affiliate product, I highly recommend to create an opt-in page, because this way you can collect email addresses from people, and that way you can always remarket other related product to them. So you can use any website of your choice to create an opt-in page, but the one I use is breezy.io. So if you come over to this website, all you simply need to do is to click on the start your trial for free. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you can simply sign up with your Google account or your LinkedIn account. So once you create an account on this platform, as you can see, I have several landing pages I'm using on this account right now. Okay, so if you come over here, you want to then simply click on the create new project. And once you do that, you want to then select landing page and website. And now you want to then select from scratch. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page and you want to click on this plus button. And if you do that, this is where you're going to have access to numerous templates provided to you by Breezy, which you can then use to create opt-in pages right away. So for me, I'm going to take this template here as an example. As you can see, this is what this landing page looks like. All right. So also, we don't need people's phone number. You can come over to this section and delete this. All we simply need is their email address. Like I said, this is where we are going to be sending them other affiliate products, and we can be making money from them in passive income. So for this section that says mail opt-in, you can simply edit this and you can change it to something like PDF download, because keep in mind, we are going to be giving these people this PDF for absolutely free, which contains our affiliate link. And now you want to delete this section since we don't need it. And here you can change this to something simple like this: make more money or lose everything. You want to type in a very strong call to action that's going to make people want to click on the link. And finally, you want to let people know they don't need to pay for this PDF. They can download it for free. And now you can always change the background image to match whatever niche you are working with. Okay, so for me, I am going to change this background image. And to do that, you can simply go over to pexels.com. And this is a website where you can get free royalty images that you can use for promotions online. So if I type in keyword like make money, since we are promoting a product that's going to help people make money, as you can see right here, there are several images we can use for free. All right, so I'm going to take this image here as an example, and all you just need to do is to download the image to your device. So once you download the image to your device, all you then need to do is to come over to this section and you want to click on this button. So once you do this, as you can see, you can delete this image, and this is where you will then be able to upload the image you want to use. So once you upload that image, it's going to appear here and you want to then click on insert file. So once you do that and everything looks good, the final thing you then want to do is to come over to this section that says styling, and this is where you'll be able to change the style of this opt-in page. So for me, I like to leave everything as default, and it's going to make it easier for our audience to read the content of this opt-in page. Okay, so once you're done and everything looks good, all you just need to do from here is to click on this arrow button and you want to click on publish page. So once you do that, you then want to come over here and then you want to go back to the dashboard. So now once you do that, you'll be able to give your opt-in page a name, as you can see here. So it's going to show you some random name here. All you need to do is to click on it, and now you can connect a custom domain if you want to do that, or you can use the subdomain provided to you by breezy.io by clicking to choose this subdomain, and here you can type in keyword related to whatever product you are promoting. So now if I open the opt-in page in a new tab and I type in my email address here, so now if I click on yes, I want this for free, this is then going to give people access to that PDF. Okay, and now before we do this, we want to simply go back to our landing page. So now if you come back to this landing page, this is where we want to add a link to where people can actually download and have access to this PDF. So you want to simply go over to Google Drive. So once you come over to Google Drive, all you simply need to do is to then upload this file. Okay, so now you want to then make sure to select the one that has the affiliate link in it. Okay, it's very important. And now to make sure you uploaded the correct file, you can simply click on the link, and if it takes you to the landing page of that ClickBank product, then you know you've uploaded the correct PDF file. Okay, and now the final thing you want to do is to come over to this share section, and you want to then come over to where it says restricted, and you want to change this to anyone with link. All right, so this is all you need to do, and then you want to click on copy link. You want to then come back to this button, and this is where you then want to click on this link. You want to then go over to redirect. This is where you then want to paste in the Google Drive link. So once you do that, all you then simply need to do from here is to click on update, and it's going to add the link to your landing page. So once people enter their email address and they click on this yes, I want this button, as you can see, your email was successfully sent, and it's going to automatically bring them to this PDF file. If they go through this PDF and they click on this link, as you can see, it's then going to redirect people to this ClickBank product page. So now if they click on the register now button and sign up to this program, you are going to get your affiliate commission. Okay, so this is how easy you can start collecting emails from your opt-in page. And now to get access to these emails, all you simply need to do is to go to your Breezy landing page dashboard, and this is where you are going to see this section that says leads. Now this is where you are going to see the list of emails you have received from that opt-in page. And just like I said earlier, email marketing is very important, because if people don't purchase the product the first time, you can always send them other related products in that niche, and that way you can keep making money long term and in passive income. And this is where you also be able to export all the emails from this page right here. And now you may be wondering, how do you send emails to these people to purchase these products? You can come over to Build the Raw, and they also have a free trial as well. They have an email marketing software that you can use to send emails to these people. And so you don't even have to create the email yourself. You can simply come back to that ClickBank product and go to the affiliate page, and usually the vendor of the product is going to provide you with the emails you can send to these people. And finally, for those who have stayed to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can post free ads and start driving targeted traffic to that PDF, which in turn is going to take people to the affiliate product page. Okay, so you can come over to this website, adcity.com, and as you can see, this website mainly focus on Australian, United States and Canada traffic, and this is good for us because you want to target tier 1 countries because they have higher purchasing power and they can easily purchase these affiliate products. Okay, and also another website you can use is classifiedads.com. And now the third one you can use is freeclassifieds.usa.com. These are websites you can use to drive traffic to tier 1 countries, which can easily purchase the affiliate product you are promoting. Okay, so I'm going to take classify ads as an example. So now once you come over to this website, you want to simply click on this section that says post an ad. As you can see, it's absolutely free. So once you come here, you then want to select category that relates to whatever product you are promoting on ClickBank. And now we want to go over to job section because we are looking for people who are interested in making money online. And here I'm going to select people seeking jobs. Okay, we want to target people who are looking to make money. And now for this location section, if you don't know what to type in right here, you can simply come over to this website. This website, you can use it to select any location in the United States, as you can see right here. Okay, so I'm going to take New Jersey as an example. And all I simply need to do from here is to then copy this postal code. Okay, so once you copy this zip code, you then want to come back here and you want to type in the zip code in this box. So once you do that, as you can see, it's going to pop up the location. As you can see, New Jersey. All right, so once you type that here, you then want to give your ad a very captivating title. You want to then type in a very captivating title like this: free PDF shows how to make $400 per day consistently from your home. You want to then type in a short description. If you don't know what to type in, you can simply come back to the landing page of this product and you can copy part of this landing page and paste it as your description. And you want to write in a call to action where people are going to click to download that PDF. So you type in something like this: take this free PDF to learn how to make money from home. You want to then copy your opt-in page link which you created on breezy.io or any landing page builder of your choice. Because keep in mind, we want to send people to this landing page so that in case if they don't purchase this product the first time, we already know they are interested in making money online and we are going to be sending them other related products in the future, and hopefully they are going to purchase those other products, which is going to be making us money in passive income. So once you copy the link, all you simply need to do is to then come over to this link section, and this is where you then want to paste in your opt-in page link like this. All you just need to do is to scroll down here and enter all these details right here. And this is the benefit of coming over to this website. This website is then going to provide you with all the details you can enter in this ad, including phone number if you want to do that. As you can see, it has provided us with a phone number we can use. So if you come over to this website, you can simply copy all the details from this page and you can then use it to fill out this ad. So this is all you simply need to do, and you want to check this box and you want to click on post this ad. So that way you're going to start getting traffic from people who are interested in that product. And if some of them purchase this product, you're going to be making money in passive income. And if they don't in the first time, you can always send them other related products because you already know they are interested in this niche. So you want to repeat this same process by posting as many ads as possible on this other website as well, freeclassifiedusa.com. And also you want to come over to this platform, adscity.com. And just like I showed you, you are going to get traffic from people who are likely to purchase this product. So if you like this video, then I highly recommend to check out this video on your screen right now, as this is the next video you should watch to scale your affiliate earnings quickly.